Hey YouTube, so it's another weekend, another project. So in today's episode, we are fabricating a fire extinguisher mount and bracket system onto our truck. And so basically, how this thing works is this. Right now it's mounted on solidly and it's not going anywhere. So to remove this for emergency use, all you have to do is pull the safety pin out, and then there's a bracket right here. And then after that, unclip the bracket, and voila, got yourself a emergency fire extinguisher. So then to reinstall this bad boy, all you need to do is put it back into its mount, close the bracket, clip it in, and then use this safety pin, and voila, it's back in and it's as solid as before. So it's not a hard job. It's all in the mind. If you are interested in how I build this, let's go have some fun.